Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video we will create a custom robot.txt file, and also we can cover all the things like if you wanting to disallow any specific file, folder or directory. So we will cover all the things. Once we create our robot.txt file, what we can do, we will also upload our robot.txt file into our website cpanel root directory. So everything we will create custom robot.txt, then we will upload. Okay, so first thing, if you wanting to access your robot.txt file, so simply you will open your website home page, and after that you will type /robots.txt. so this is your robot.txt syntax. So you can simply click on the N and you can enter. So you will see if your website having a robot.txt file, so you will found your robot.txt file. Other your website are haven't, so we can then the thing is to you can create your robot.txt. Okay, so first thing, if you wanting to create, so simply you can go on the Google search box where you can type robots.txt generator. So this is your keyword. So simply you can open a first website SEO Optimo, and you will see this is your robot.txt file generator tool. So you can allow this option, and if you wanting to add a crawl delay, so let me show you what is crawl delay. Crawl delay is basically when Google crawler are crawling your website, that time your website speed is going to slow. So you will use a crawl delay that time. So your website speed is not going to slow down. Okay, so 10-second or 15-second are universal, and also you will add your website sitemap in your robot.txt. So how we will access our sitemap? So simply after your website URL you can type sitemap.xml, and you can add your sitemap. So you will see this is a search robots. So if you wanting to disallow any robot, so you will simply suppose that if I wanting to disallow nudge, so you will see there is a refuse option, so you can select this refused and you will disallow. So if you wanting to disallow any specific directory from your website, so cgi-bin is universal, so you will disallow. And also I can wanting to disallow my wp admin file, so this is a login panel. So if I can want to disallow. And also if you wanting to disallow any specific page from your website, so simply suppose that for example I can show you if I wanting to disallow this page. Okay, and this is backlink is this is a directory, and after that this is my page URL. So you can copy your page path and you will add your page path URL. Okay, so this is about how you will create your robot.txt file. Also if you wanting to disallow any folder, suppose that if your website having if you wanting to disallow PDF file, so suppose that this is your PDF. So if these things anywhere are coming in your website URLs, so Google crawler can find this PDF word anywhere in your page URL. So Google crawler can ignore your all page your URL anywhere this word are having. So how we will add this, how we will disallow our any file. So you can see that we can add this syntax. So simply you can add disallow, and where you can add, we will ignore these things. After that I will show you. So if you wanting to disallow your PDF, so simply you can add there PDF. If you wanting to disallow, suppose that sometime we are getting issues from the CSS or JavaScript. So if you're getting that kind of issues from Google crawler, so simply you can add /* and dot, then you will add your file name. So suppose that if I wanted to disallow PDF or any specific image or CSS or JavaScript, and once after so what is the method? /* dot, and you will add your file name, and last you will add a $. Then you will allow universally anywhere are coming PDF name in your URL. Okay, so once you guys can add these things, so what we can do next, simply you can click on the create robot.txt. So you use tools the maximum number of the time under the free plan. Please consider upgrade to your premium plan. So let me, I have already generated. So once you guys can create on this option, so you will found your robot.txt syntax over there. Okay, so I will show you. So I previously, before the creating this video, I will create many times robot.txt file to understand what is the things and the how I can tell you uh, the best method. So you will create your robot.txt files. Okay, so once you guys can create this, so you will found that kind of a result over there. So you will copy your file and you will simply open your notepad, fresh notepad, so where you can paste your robot.txt file. So suppose that I pasted this. So this is your user agent and the star. Star is basically universal to you, allowing all the Google crawler bot to crawl your website. Okay, and after that, this is a disallow option to you. You are disallowing the cgi-bin, and we are disallowing our WP admin. So if you wanting to disallow any specific page from your website, so you will simply add disallow, and after that your page path URL. Okay, so this is a crawl delay. So we will keep a 15 millisecond crawl delay. So this is a best when Google crawler are crawling, so your speed is maintained. So this is a sitemap and this is a sitemap URL. And the another things what we learned, so if we wanting to disallow any file, so simply add, you will see this is your slash star dot, then you will add your file name. So there you can also add, so suppose that if you wanted to disallow image, so you will add image, and after that you will add a dollar syntax. So this is important syntax. Suppose that if you wanting to disallow .php or .pdf, so we will cover the example of PDF. So the PDF word anywhere are coming in your URL, Google crawler can ignore these things. Okay, so this is a method. So if you wanting, this is a very useful by the way. Okay, so we have created our robot.txt file, and if you wanting to allow any specific page, so suppose that I will show you. So this is my another page, and I will show you why I use allow option. So I can add there now, and then after that I will show you. So this is a WP admin, what we are disallowing, what we disallowed there now, you will see. But we wanting to allow Google crawler to crawl this page. So what we can do, simply we can add this allow syntax, then after that you will add a URL, because after this syntax, after this directory, Google can crawl all the pages are generating from this directory. So that's why we have added this URL. Okay, so once you guys can create your robot.txt file, so simply save your robot.txt, and I'm saving, I can go to save and the desktop, anywhere if you wanting to save, and you will select your text documents.txt, and you will add you will use the name robots.txt. So you can use the same name while the saving the robot.txt file. So then after that you can click on the save button. So we have created our robot.txt file. So you will see this is our robot.txt file. So once we create our robot.txt file, so now the time is we can upload our robot.txt file into a cpanel root directory. So you will see, so you guys will access your file manager. So so my website is hosted on the hosting. So I can click on the manage button, and you will see after that you can navigate on your file manager. So where all files are managed, file manager. Okay, and you will see there is a file folder. So you can open your file manager. and you see access files for a file of DML training and the yeah. So you will see this is your file. So simply you can click on the public.html and you will see this is your all files for your website. So where we have added a sitemap. So now the time is to we can add our upload our robot.txt file. So you can see there is a upload icon. So simply you can click and you will select your file, and we saved our robot.txt on this section. So you will see we have update added our robot.txt. So this is our robot.txt file, and if you wanting to change something, so you will see there is a edit pencil, so you will rename your file. So now the time is to we can remove. So okay, so this is for me. After that I will optimize these things. So we have created a custom robot.txt file, and we covered all the things. We also upload our robot.txt into our cpanel root folder. So now the time is to we can verify our sitemap is successfully uploaded or not. So let me add robots.txt and you will see our file is uploaded. So this is a crawl delay, and what we have added pdf.syntax and all the things we have added. So this is a process for the robot.txt creation, and we will also cover all the things we uploaded into a cpanel root directory. And also in the last I will show you in the file database website dashboard tips to improve. Okay, so we uploaded our robot.txt file. So simply if you are using cpanel hosting a cpanel, so simply you can navigate on the file section, file manager, and you are able to see your this is your all access all files. So I think there are all files are available. Okay, so this is all files, so domains.php, so we can ignore these things. So simply you can upload your robot.txt public.html, and where we have uploaded already. So this is a process for the robot.txt. We created a customly and we will upload on the cpanel. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service suggestion, so you will share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.